Not a lot of people get to figure out what their purpose in life is or what they're truly passionate about, and being able to marry those things and make a career out of it. I do believe that my purpose is to share this gift I have in a way that hasn't been shared before.
It's all right, you guys remember.
Growing up, I can only remember one instance where I was exposed to power tools. I stumbled upon woodworking by total complete accident. If you think of somebody that is a legitimate woodworker, you probably picture one type of person. I don't look like that. I felt inferior because I'm Black, because I'm a woman, because I was so much younger than them. I knew that my skills didn't match their skills, but I knew that I loved it as much as they did. And I just wanted to find my place in that field.
What type of cut are we making today?
I think by teaching, I have found my place.
So I place the saw.
I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that I know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing here on Earth.
To get a tape measure, or we can use this.
Me and this skin and this body with this upbringing ended up growing up and being this woodworker.
Okay, no missing fingers.
And I'm just like, I can't believe this is my job. I get to do what I love every single day. Building something that lasts means thinking about the future. Is this wood going to expand? Is it going to contract? Do I need to leave room for movement? And I know that's sort of a metaphor for life, is taking into account the future to ensure that something lasts forever. If there's something that you want to do, something that brings you joy, something that brings you peace, happiness, and a sense of purpose, I say go after it with all of your might. The universe will undoubtedly open up for you if you are living with purpose.